Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about grammar lesson 9. The topic of the lesson is the gerund and the participle. All of you take your grammar book and take lesson 9. Dear students, page number 46. The topic of the lesson is the gerund and the participle. The gerund. A gerund is an ing form of a verb. When it is used as a noun, it is derived from the verb. So we know already what is meant by gerund and what is meant by participle. Very simple topic. The gerund is generally it is ing form of a verb. Okay. So in the which are the following cases it is used? They are given on box. Listen. There are the topics on the left side. Subject to the verb, object to a verb, object to the preposition, complement to a verb. Subject, you know, it is the first part of sentence already we studied, and object it refers what in a sentence, and preposition tells the position of the thing, and complement also it tell about verb. The first one, subject to a verb. For each topic they are given four examples. We can see now. So subject to a verb. The first one, swimming improves your health. Second one, smoking causes cancer. Third one, reading makes us wise. Fourth one, dancing gives us strength. Here all the ing form it refers a verb. Okay, but it plays a subject role here. And second form, object to the verb. Here the verb form should be like object form. First one, I dislike smoking. Here dislikes the verb, but object plays an important role, smoking. So verb as a object here. The again the second one, I love swimming. Third one, you must not laughing. Fourth one, she enjoys swimming. Here verb they are noticed in the bold letter, but ing form it is noticed as a object here. And third one, object to a preposition. First one, he is fond of playing, and second one, I have no idea of going there. Third one, she was fine for coming late, and fourth one, I am interested in learning. Here see, it is play important role of preposition. So that's only the it is object becomes a preposition here. And fourth one, complement to the verb. His only aim was winning. Second one, his constant habit was sleeping. And third one, my favorite hobby is gardening. And fourth one, what she loves is painting. See, in the all the sentence, you can easily notify where is a gerund because ing form is known as a gerund. How it plays a role as a subject, as an object, as a preposition, as a complement, we can see in the page. Okay, read twice, you can understood. So, given already we are studied in the 6th standard, that is only given at below. Take page number 47. Page number 47. The root form of the verb V1 without to is called bare infinitive. If it is have to, it is known as infinitive. Without to is known as bare infinitive. Second one, that is same thing. The root of the form preceded by to is called the to infinitive. So now we can see the difference between the bare infinitive and the uh, to infinitive. The following verbs can take to infinitive as well as a gerund. Hate, learn, like, love, remember, start, advise, allow, attempt, begin, continue, intend, propose, regret. These are the verbs. So how it becomes to infinitive gerund. See the box. The left side they given to infinitive sentence and here right side gerund sentence. See the five examples. We intend to live in Delhi. Second one, I propose to leave zone. Third one, she loves to hear old songs. And fourth one, I remember to see him. And fifth one, he proposed to travel by train. See, all the bold letters should be a verb. Here it is known as infinitive word because all the words it have to. Here, which is a verb? The first one, to live. And second one, to leave. And third one, to hear and to see and to travel. So this is with the verb with to, it is known as to infinitive. Here the gerund form, how the to live, it is known as, it is changes living, it is the ing form. So other sentence we can just copy. So how we should change? We intend to live in Delhi, it changed to we intend living in Delhi. The same thing. All the sentence we just cut the two and we just make ing form, then the answer will be correct for gerund. So that's all for the first table. Second table, the following verbs of the perceptions can take a bare infinitive or a gerund. See the words see, watch, feel, hear, notice, observe. So here fair infinitive and gerund. Bare infinitive we already know without to. See in the all the sentence the bold letter C. After that it has a verb. The first one I heard here come in. How we should change? I heard her coming in. We are not noticed that infinitive. Just we can change the verb form here. So come become coming. And second one, she saw me cross the road. Here cross should change as crossing. And third one, the teacher watched me shout in the class. Here the shout becomes shouting. And fourth one, I noticed him sit with her. Here sit known as sitting. So I hope you understood the difference between the two infinitive and the bare infinitive. Whatever the word may be, you just change to live. It means, say, for example, to live means for the gerund form you should choose living. Here without to also you just change the verb into the ing form. It is known as a gerund. So that is only given that page. The following words must be used as gerund only. The wrong use of infinitive after them. So these following words, remember it. These only used with gerund form only. The gerund is used with the following expressions as well. So which are they? Listen it. Be what? Be no use. Be no good. Can't bear. Can't stand and can't help. So I hope you understood the concept of to infinitive and bare infinitive in the page. So all of you take page number 48. Page number 48. Look at the following sentence. There are 6 sentences given in the first topic. This table is worth buying. Second one, it is no use carrying over split milk. Third one, it is no good imitating others. Fourth one, she can't bear living away from her children. Fifth one, I can't stand smoking in my room. Sixth one, we would not help, we could not help laughing at the clown. See in the all the sentence, if the noun or a pronoun is used before a gerund, it must be in the possessive case. The following sentence they are given, it is related to the previous page. And now we can see the pronouns used before a gerund. The first one, I dislike Rogan's coming late daily. Here the verb is coming. And second one, a man's future depends on his working hard. Here it is changed, a pronoun is used. Okay. And third one, I enjoy her cooking for me. And fourth one, do you mind my smoking here? These are the words known as gerund. The pronouns used before a gerund. So it is used in the possessive case. So here they given the test yourself book exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of gerund or infinitive of the verb given in the bracket. There are 20 sentences given. You just try your own self. Page number 49. The participle. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the gerund and the participle. Gerund we have completed just now. Now we can see about the participle. A participle is a form of verb which has characteristics of the verb as well as the adjective. It plays a both character as a verb and the adjective. What is meant by verb? Action word in a sentence. What is meant by adjective? It refers a noun in the sentence or tells more about noun. The first they are given present participle, past participle and perfect participle. So already we studied in the tense itself. Here the drowning, it's changed to drown and having drowned. Seeing changed seen, having seen. Finishing changed finish and having finished. If the participle and the principal verb, principal means main verb, occur at the same time, we use present. So first one, a drowning man catches at a straw. Here we are used the present form. In the all the sentence, see laughing in the second sentence, talking in third sentence, and saying in fourth sentence, and singing in the fifth standard. These are all the things. The main verb becomes ing form. Second one, if the participle occurs superior to the principal verb, we use a perfect form. So it is takes the main place, the participle. So in the following sentence, the fourth sentence, listen: having bought, having done, having attend, and having won. These all the words here. The verb becomes, it is a third form, past participle we should use when the participle occurs prior to the principal verb. First we are used ing form. Here we are using having plus whatever verb it may be, we use the third form. And again the next topic, the past participle v3 is used when the verb is functioning as a adjective. When we changed the past participle, when the verb is functioning as a adjective, if it is a play a role on adjective, we just use the past participle form. The first one, Namya's spoken English. Here spoken the word. And second one, these solved papers are very helpful. Here solved. And third one, Rahul board. Here crowded bus. Here crowded. And the fourth one, she saw a faded rose. Here faded. See, in this all the sentence we are using the past participle form. The verb plays functioning as an adjective. We just change the verb into the past participle form. So that's all. In this page we are seeing present participle, past participle, and perfect participle, how we should change. So there are three kinds we have seen. So now we can recall the verbs used with infinitive, the verb used with gerunds. We can see when a verb doing the function of the noun, it is called a gerund. When a verb also functions as adjective, it is called the participle. Again I repeat, the verb doing the function of the noun known as a gerund, it do also function as adjective known as a participle. Page number 15. Test yourself. Fill in the blank. First Roman, fill in the blanks with the correct form of gerund, infinitive or participle in the verbs given in the bracket. There are 20 sentences given. So read carefully and whether it should be a gerund form or an infinitive form or the participle form, think and write. Second Roman, what is the difference between the bare infinitive and the to infinitive? We already seen now. So give the examples of each. And the third Roman, what is gerund? Give any three examples. Gerund, it is a ing form. And what is a participle? Having the kinds of participle are there. So yeah, we just revise three kinds. So give the examples for all the three kinds of participle. And for fifth Roman, what is the difference between the gerund and the participle? And give the examples of each. So that's all, my dear students. Thank you. In this class, we can see clear about what is gerund and what is participle. So how the gerund become the subject, object, and preposition and verb, we can see in the first topic. And second, the what is participle and the kinds of participle, it is known as the present, past, and the perfect. All the things we can see and learn today. Next class we can discuss. Okay, thank you.